Hello everyone, I am Shraddha. Today I will be discussing the topic on contract of bailment which is under Indian Contract Act. The word bailment has been derived from the French word bailer which means to deliver. In general, bailment means delivery of a good of a person to whom permission is given to have the goods of another person. The contract of bailment comes under the special class of contract and are dealt under section 148 to section 181 of Indian Contract Act. But in this video I will be covering only definition, parties and essential of bailment. According to section 148 of the Contract Act, bailment means the delivery of a goods by one person to another for specific purpose upon a contract that they shall, when the purpose is accomplished, be returned or otherwise disposed of according to the direction by a person delivering them. From this, the ingredients of bailment is it is a delivery of a good from one person to another for specific purpose, and once the purpose is over, the goods will be returned back or otherwise disposed of according to the direction of the person delivering it. So let us understand with an illustration. A delivers a piece of cloth to B, a tailor, to be stitched into a suit. Here, A will be bailer and B is the bailee, in which after the cloth is stitched, the cloth will be returned back to A. This is a contract of bailment. There are two parties involved in the contract of bailment. They are bailer and a bailee. Bailer is the person who delivers the good and bailee is the person whom the goods are being delivered. In the above case, A is the bailer and B is the bailee. Let us understand with another illustration. A lends a notebook to Y under a contract. After 1 month, it should be returned. Here, there is a contract of bailment between A and Y, where A is the bailer, where B is the bailee. However, if the owner continue to maintain the control over the goods, then there is no bailment. Illustration. If Ravi gives his car to Ram, his friend, for 5 days, but at the same time Ravi keeps his another key of a car with himself, and during this period of 5 days he used this car, it will not come in the case of bailment because Ravi is keeping control over the property bailed. Essential features. Two parties. There should be two parties available in the contract of bailment, namely bailer and bailee. Agreement. Bailment is always created by an agreement between bailer and bailee. It can be either express or implied. All requisite of a valid contract. All the essential for the valid contract, such as misrepresentation, concealment of fact, free consent, etc., should be fulfilled. Delivery of possession. Bailment involves the change of possession without giving ownership. The possession means the right to keep control over the delivered goods. The whole concept of bailment revolves around the fact that the goods should be delivered for a temporary period and bailee cannot have the permanent possession in the property. Return of specific goods. The bailee is bound to return the goods to the bailer after the purpose for which it was taken in over. If the person is not returning the goods, then there will be no bailment. Specific purpose. Goods are delivered for specific purpose, namely for repairing, tailoring, etc. Thus, these are the essential for the contract of bailment. Hope you guys understood the concept, parties and essential of a bailment. Thank you.